Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution in Slay the Spire 2 and fix the issue where the resolution shows NA. First, launch the game and go to Settings. Then, open the Graphics tab. Here you might see that the window resolution option shows NA and is grayed out, which means you cannot change it. To fix this, simply uncheck the full screen option at the top. Once you disable full screen, the game will switch to window mode, and you should now be able to select and change the resolution. You can also press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard to quickly switch between full screen and window mode. After switching to window mode, go back to the graphics settings and change the resolution you want. So this is how you can change the resolution and fix the NA resolution issue in Slay the Spire 2. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.